Welcome, dear aspirants. My name is Karan Singh Katoch and I extend my warm welcome to this online platform of Crack Academy. Today, I have a question to all of you. Tell me, from 1 to 2 o'clock, how many times the hands of the clock coincides? Right? I hope you all know the meaning of coincidence, right? See, if you pay attention to this clock right now, both the hands are coinciding. So we all know at 12 o'clock, both the hands are pointing in the same direction. So we call it as a coincidence. Now, if I ask you how many times hands of the clock coincides from 1 to 2, what will be your answer? Okay. So from 1 o'clock to till 2 o'clock, many of you will say, sir, it will coincide only once. So let me applaud you, all of you, because it is absolutely correct. Let me show you how. See, right now, let's draw a situation of 1 o'clock first. Right now, at 1 o'clock, hands are not coinciding at all. Let's move the hands a little bit more than 1 o'clock. If we start moving them, then you will observe around 1 o'clock and something minute. Around 1 o'clock and something minute, they're gonna coincide, right? And afterwards, if you increase the time, there will be no coincidence at all till 2 o'clock, right? There will be no coincidence at all till 2 o'clock. It means from 1 till 2 o'clock, hands coincides only once. I hope you all are agree now, right? Okay, now let's talk about, let's explore our potentials now, right? My next question. How many times the hands of the clock coincides with each other in a day? Right? It might possible, a lot of you will say, sir, they will coincide 24 times. Might possible. Why? Because, sir, right now, from 1 till 2 o'clock, hands were coinciding one time. So, sir, 1 to 2 was a duration of 1 hour. So, in 1 hour, hands are coinciding. In 1 hour, hands are coinciding one time. In a day, sir, there are 24 hours. So, in 24 hours, hands should coincide 24 times. But my dear student, this is not correct. If you talk about a duration of 24 hours, hands coincides only 22 times. How come? See, you were absolutely correct when you said from 1 till 2 hands will coincide only once. But what if I talk about a duration between 12 and 1? What if I talk about a duration between 12 and 1? Give me a second. Let me draw the situation of 12 o'clock first. Now, please pay attention to my words. I'm saying 12 to 1, not exactly 12, not exactly 1. So, I'm looking for a time between 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock. See, between 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock, from 12 till 1 is a duration of 1 hour. From 12 to 1, you can see hands will not coincide at all. Similarly, if you talk about a duration between 11 and 12, see, let me show you the time of 11. This is the situation of 11 o'clock. From 11 till 1, from 11 till 12, hands will not coincide at all. Right? So, 1 till 2 was a duration of 1 hour. Hands were coinciding once. But from 11 till 12, not exactly 12, from 11 till 12, any time between 11 and 12, hands are not coinciding at all. Any time between 12 and 1, hands are not coinciding at all. From 11 till 1, hands are coinciding only once, that is exactly at 12. So, I can say in a duration of 12 hours, hands are coinciding 11 times, not 12 times, 11 times. Similarly, in 24 hours, hands will coincide 22 times. So, I have written all this stuff for you, right? I have written this thing for you over here. So, this is the conclusion of what we have discussed few minutes ago or few minutes back. You can write it down. If you want to read it, you can read it, huh? Okay. So, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this fact. Thank you.